Friends, this is Ishan Srivastav. Welcome to my YouTube channel EduTech Adda. This is my first YouTube video. Uh, in this video, I am going to tell you about my life in Varanasi. I have taken a year drop for JEE Mains. I have prepared in Varanasi. So in this video, I'll tell you about my tuition institute JIS tutorials. What is the percentage success of JIS tutorials? What are the pros and cons of going in Varanasi for preparation? What is the life of Varanasi, student life of Varanasi? So let's start the video. Varanasi is famous for its temple and ghat, you all know. But many less people know that Varanasi is often referred as a mini Kota. Yes, mini Kota. There are 35 to 40 coaching institutes that are giving coachings for NEET and JEE and many other competitive exams in Varanasi. Uh, I think 20 to 25 out of that are of JEE and NEET only. Although it's the most famous exam of India among the students. So let's start something about JIS tutorials. I have studied in JIS tutorials for 1 year. I was dropper after class 12. I have got 84% in my class 12, and I have taken a year drop for JEE mains preparation. I went to JIS tutorials in June last year. There is a scholarship exam in JIS tutorials. If you give that exam and you'll get a certain amount of marks, then you'll get a scholarship. But the paper is really tough. Many less students get a scholarship. So actually, don't think about scholarship. If you are the average student or good student, you are not going to get a scholarship. If you are the above average or excellent student, then you will definitely get the scholarship. Scholarship are like 100% scholarship, 75%, 50%, and 25%. Four types of scholarships are there. I have got 25% scholarship. I paid 80,000 for my year preparation at JIS tutorials. See, JRS tutorials is famous for its physics faculty. Jha sir is one of the best physics teacher in Varanasi and adjacent cities near Varanasi. Students from Bangalore, Kolkata, Bombay, yes, some of my friends who are in Varanasi or who were in Varanasi were from Bombay. They just came to Varanasi to take tuitions from Jha sir. Yeah, he is very famous teacher. He teaches mechanics at institute, at JIS institute, and literally he takes 3 class in a week, and not even a single student miss his class. He is such a good teacher. The faculty of chemistry and math is average. It's like you'll not get the that good faculty of math and chemistry like you are getting of physics in JIS tutorials. But yes, if you know the basics of maths and chemistry, then you will definitely do good there. But if you don't know anything about physics, if you are newcomer to physics, you haven't studied a single topic in 11 12, then if you go to JIS tutorials for a year, after taking a drop, you will be very good in physics if you give your time, give your practice. The teachers are so good and so helping that you will not feel like you are away from your school. The success rate of JIS tutorials is pretty good. It has 3 or 4 batches, 3 batches of rankers and 1 batch of elite. Elite batch consists of 30 or 40 students, and every ranker batch consists of 90 to 100 students. There are 4 batches on top. There is elite batch, IT rankers elite batch, then second rankers A, rankers B, and rankers C. These are the 4 batches if you are preparing for JEE mains and advanced course. And if you enrolled for just for JEE mains, you will get a separate batch that will be called mains batch. Okay, so you are getting this facility also. If you don't want to prepare for JEE advanced, there will be a deduction in fees, and you will only prepare for JEE mains. The success rate is pretty good. Every year in 90 to 100 students, there are 5 to 7 students who are selected for IITs in different branches. All over, it is a good success rate. If you see from Varanasi, okay, Varanasi, in the areas where the coaching institutes are situated, that are the areas of Durga Kund and some areas of Saket Nagar, all the coaching institutes are situated. There are 3 and 4 renowned coaching institutes, GIS tutorials. I have told you about GIS tutorial. Some other are your resonance is also there. Resonance is there, and L1 coaching is go. Last year L1 gave the topper of Varanasi. I think AR 33. Yeah, that was AIR 33 in JE Advanced. L1 has given that. L1 is also good. There is one more coaching institute. I don't remember the name. I think, yeah, that is Sky Tutorials. Less fees, affordable for everyone, and good faculty, up to the mark faculty. You can go there. Sky Tutorials also give you a month of trial. You can try them and then enroll for them. Okay, let's back to the topic. If you are there in GIS tutorial, physics is sorted, but you have to give your time for your math and chemistry. Like I personally don't like chemistry. My chemistry is not good. My math and physics is good. What I have done that I was giving my time to physics and math regularly, and in chemistry I have selected some chapters. Okay, I have selected some certain chapters which consist of the topic of math and physics. Math is not there in chemistry, only physical chemistry will get. But some topics of in thermodynamics, you will get in chemistry thermodynamics, you will get some topic of physics. I feel like interesting. I have read atomic structure and all, because that is also related to physics. So in chemistry, I have selected that chapters, and I was not attending the class of chemistry. I was just going for doubt solving, because doubt solving of GIS tutorials is very good. See, GIS tutorials is like that. The junior teachers who are in doubt solving session, they are very good. They are giving their 100%. But the faculty of math and chemistry are not giving their 100%, or they are not up to the mark. Some of them are very older who can't even speak. I can't say that. Matlab, I don't have to say that. But truth is truth. Some are like they can't able to speak. I will not take their name, but some are there. So if you are going to Varanasi for JEE and main preparation, you will get several institute, and you will get also a try period there. So you can go institute, you can try for a week or two, and then enroll. But if you are going late and you are going for GIS tutorials, then remember, you will get physics faculty very good, up to the mark. But faculty of chemistry and mathematics will not be good. Okay, chemistry, physics, mathematics and chemistry. Yeah, faculty of mathematics and chemistry will not be good. You have to pay extra attention to chemistry and maths. Math faculty is average, but chemistry faculty is bad. You will both. You will have to pay extra attention to that. And if you are not good in both the subject, you will have to take either you will take online course, or you will go for another private tuitions for chemistry and mathematics. So if you are ready, if you want to go to Varanasi, if you want to go to Varanasi for a preparation of JEE and NEET, you will not get the quality lecture or quality content from the teachers or lecturers who are giving lectures in your class of math and chemistry. Doubt solving teachers are very good. You will get the full support and full help of that teachers. So if you want to go to Varanasi, then just remember, physics faculty of GIS tutorials is very good, but chemistry and math is not up to the mark. So you will have to pay the more attention for chemistry and maths, and that's the conclusion if you want to go in GIS tutorials. See, other coachings like Resonance or your L1 coaching, that have the good faculty of math, some have chemistry. You will not get any 3 good faculties in a single institute. You will have to pay attention on 1 or 2 of the subjects by yourself, which faculty is not good. Uh, so if you are going somewhere for preparation, the most important thing is your food and your hostel. So let's talk something about hostel and food there. See, you will get many options of hostel, PGs, mess, private rooms. There are plenty of options. You will get private flats, you will get PGs, you will get hostels, hostel with mess, hostel without mess, PG with